I hope it is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, thank you. Very good afternoon to everyone. Here we are, semester three students are going to done our presentation as a form of webinar. So today's my topic is a feminism into the lighthouse, and I have took the topic from paper number 9, modernist literature. So let's have a glance on the introduction of the novel. The novel To the Lighthouse, written by Virginia Woolf. Virginia Woolf, landmarks of a high modernism, and the novel was published on 5th May 1927. Virginia Woolf used the language of psychoanalysis. Virginia Woolf pushed the light of English language a little further against the darkness. This novel is divided into three parts, and the first is the window, second one is the time passes, and the third one is the lighthouse. Okay, here's the beautiful quote by Virginia Woolf. I am made and remade, uh, sorry, continually. Different people draw different words from me. Okay, here's some information about the Virginia Woolf. Okay, so let's have a glance on my protagonist topic. What is the feminism and feminism into the lighthouse? What is a feminism? Feminism is a social theory or a movement with the purpose of advancing the status of females and protecting their legal rights due to the sexual determination and inequalities in the men dominated the society. The word feminism as a first used by Charles in 1837, and since then it has been gradually known by people in the word feminism represents on the most important social, economic, and revolutions of modern times. Okay, here's some another information about the feminism. As a matter of fact, the history of feminist movements consists of three waves. The first feminism wave took place at the turn of the 20th century, in which Virginia Woolf was a prominent representative. During this period, women's suffrage movement was organized to defend women's right to vote, then accommodated by the women's liberation movement. The second wave was unveiled the 1960s. The focus on this wave was women's legal and social equality against patriarchy. As a continuation of the second wave, the third wave feminism began in the early 1990s. Okay, feminism in the light into the lighthouse. With the development of feminism, the inferior position of a woman has been progressed, and certain achievement has been gained over the long launched champion. Okay, however, women in the some countries, especially in improvised region, are still oppressed by the man dominant society. Therefore, it is imperative to stress the importance of feminist theories, as the feminist from feminism, as well as the pro-Finnish English writer Virginia Woolf in 1882 to 1941 devoted herself to the improvement of the living situation of a woman through examining her masterpiece of To the Lighthouse. The presentation aims the probing into the feminist ideas reflected in this novel by the methodology of literature review and text analysis. This study shows how Virginia Woolf put her feminine thoughts into this work. Virginia Woolf, in a certain Librisco, defined a convention by allowing her to assert her independence. While the novel remained traditional in the sense that is included a female character who depressed to men, the inclusion of the woman, such a Briscoe, an independent thinker, shocked many readers in the modernist era. In her lifetime, she decided herself to the feminist literary criticism and adherence to women's right to through her work. Okay. Here's another information about as a woman writer, Virginia Woolf formed her unique feminine consequences, which was rooted in her life experience and social background back then. Her concern and fascination with gender identities and with other women's life histories and fictions have shaped her writing profoundly. Character of Mrs. Ramsay. Uh, in this novel, Virginia Woolf's concept of a woman's role in life is crystallized in the character of Mrs. Ramsay, who is indeed Woolf's summary of the 19th century ideologies in motherhood. Is not merely goodness or light spirit and spell, she is more than this. She is the meaning of the novel. Okay, here is the picture of Mrs. Ramsay, and Mrs. Ramsay is a symbol of the female principle in life, clothed in beauty, in intuitive principle in life, and furnishing force. She obsessed the logical, but arid and sterile and male principle. Her influence work towards the meeting of men and women towards their become a fruitful like herself. Okay, here's some another information which is connected with the which the art and science, which Mrs. Ramsay said to Lily Briscoe as the painter and gives a stimulus and understanding. And another information she gave about to caramel the post the gives heaven from a squirrel and shared with wife, and to Ramsay to philosopher as a philosopher perspective she suffers love comfort and reference to Stanley and graduate student she offers a prominent for a personality. Here's some another information about art and science. Okay, it is a woman duties. Further, she talk about woman duties to what is the woman duties during the Victorian age, and she talked about she talked about that because of marriage is considered at the most important thing for them in Victorian age, that which the work is done by the woman at the age of a Victorian during the Victorian age. Briscoe is Mrs. Ramsay is considered it as their responsibility. Perhaps this is the reason why Mrs. Ramsay is so enthusiastic about making matches. Indeed, she strongly believes that only the getting married can women achieve their facilities. She considered that the marriage is the after the marriage your personality is reflective. Okay, here's some another information, and I have put one line from original text. She insists Lily should marry, and she says to Lily that an unmarried woman has missed the best life. According to Lily Briscoe, she was great at pulling together her family, but by doing so, she smoothed over all the complexities and individual interest of her children and her friend in favor of a greater whole. Mrs. Ramsay is an overbully, but Mrs. Ramsay quality influential people to take the shape. Okay, here's the picture of painter Lily Briscoe. and character of Lily Briscoe, the clash of a gender. I am going to reflect the personality of Lily Briscoe, and how Virginia Woolf reflect her personality with the perspective of feminism. She represents an idealized feminist woman who challenges male hegemony to achieve a sense of individuality. Her finished painting and okay here I have put it some points with her painting, and how she make her half painting, and she completed her another full painting at the end of the novel, serves to establish her role as a truly liberated female artist. Okay, Lily has suffered with the angel in the house, but Virginia Woolf suggests that if a woman want to have their own values, in addition to kill the angel of the house, they have to tell the truth about her, about their own experience. Under such circumstances, the process for Lily to realize her values in full of obstacle. Frequently, she is hunted by the voice of Charles Stanley. Woman can't write, woman can't paint, and this line hurts a lot to Lily Briscoe. She also suffers from the annoying interpretation of Mr. Ramsey, who often depends her enthusiasm. Gradually, the pressure from patriarchy shakes her confidence. And with the end of the novel, Lily gave the answer to Mr. Ramsey very calmly, and she put it this inner thoughts on her canvas as well. She kept a filler on her surroundings, lest some should carry up, and suddenly she should find her picture looked at. Okay, let's. Okay, I have cast it to the conclusion. Okay, here's the conclusion. Here is many things related with feminism are found in the novel. Many women in novel either or Stanley subvert conventional feminine gender roles. We found that the three daughter of Mrs. Ramsey's daughter are also choose for her to their mother. They wanted to live their life as Lily live. Virginia Woolf's feminist thoughts, be in obscure to be in radical, have a profound insights which are well worth studying. Through the analysis to the lighthouse from the perspective of feminism. Okay. Another point I have cast to the conclusion, and they free themselves from the partial society and realize self fulfillment. Women and men should live in peace to achievement, and which is indeed the real perception of Woolf's feminism. Okay, here is the citation. And here is the Wikipedia. I have put it Wikipedia citation from Virginia Woolf's information. Here is the quote: men's quality are reflected when they give the equality to the women's. Okay.